Welcome back. Thank you for tuning in. I hope you guys are doing well. Today we're checking out Virtual Protocol. We can see Virtual Protocol is pumping at the moment on the daily time frame. It is up massively. It is up around 25%, as we can see here, from a low of $1.30 on the 24 hours up to $1.70 where we are. On the week, we can see this coin has done over a 2x, and we're seeing a real relief rally here. We could even potentially get somewhere close to the $4 mark where we were at before in the euphoric bull run. But at the end of the day, that's still very optimistic, and I don't think that will happen anytime soon. But in this video, we're going to break down what might happen, how this is all happening, and what I personally think of this token. Will I buy some here, as I already missed out on the dollar cost average opportunity down here at 50-60 cents. So let's talk about Virtual Protocol today, as we see the AI agent sector make an absolute massive bounce. In general, it's worth $5.5 billion, as we can see. And yeah, things are looking a little bit better. Just on the crypto space in general, we can see we've broken $3 trillion again, guys. So can I get a round of applause? Yes, please. Bitcoin 97K, ETH 1.86K, crypto $3 trillion. We are back to that $3 trillion mark. So yeah, we're going to talk about it, where I think this coin can go. Also, massive congratulations to anyone in my Discord channel, which is down below, completely free to join. The new indicator is going superbulously, and I want you guys to check it out. It's down below. It's called Trade Wave. You can see the link down below to xwave.com. And that will take you through to the indicator if you want to find out more about that, to make some gains on buy and sell signals. Now, let's talk about it. We can see this market is up nicely. We've broken $3 trillion again. It just feels nice. Feels like we're coming home. It feels like this market is recovering. And if we can get more sustenance here and more continuation, we should hopefully get closer to around the 3.2, 3.3, and $3.5 trillion mark. If this happens and we start getting close, this market will climb rapidly. It won't be slow. It will be like a massive injection of liquidity, and it will catch people out. Most people won't even see it coming. But yeah, at the moment, just want to talk about this token right here. We do have a memecoin gem, a special token to talk about at the end of this video as well. So do watch the whole way through. Now we can see, of course, this coin was coming down for some serious time from its all-time high at $5.29 here. 97 days just coming down. And we can see, really just looking at this 50 to 40 cents range, that is a really key area of accumulation. And I don't think we'll be going back there anytime soon. But what we can do is quickly just have a look at our relative strength index. And the first thing I can see, the first thing that really puts me off buying here, well, the thing is with crypto, you want to be buying fear and extreme fear. And if you're FOMOing into greedy environments like this one here that we're now seeing, because the relative strength index is effectively it's just a reflection of human behavior and the amount of volume we're seeing for a particular asset, commodity. In this case, we had events of extreme fear here, around March, 11th of March, around the 7th of April, around also the 3rd, 4th, 5th of February. These were your DCA moments. This was your dollar cost average moments. And right now it's a sell moment. Based on my textbook, my theory, and how I capitalize in this market, I would not be buying here. I would actually be shorting this particular coin right here. Even though, yes, it could still go higher, at some point soon, I perceive this coin to come back down because that just looks parabolic, especially in this market right now. So it's only been up for the last 2 weeks straight, but the RSI is telling us, something is abnormal here. If we look at all the data that we've got, Virtual Protocol is that black sheep, right? It's doing things that's crazy. It's euphoric. It's parabolic. So that's something that we can absolutely see here. We can see that, they have been marketing. So it looks like, they've obviously gone to token 2049. Maybe they've spoke to some big contacts. Maybe there's been some massive news out there for Virtual Protocol. But overall, it's great to see this project with so much utility. They're pushing consistently. And yeah, they've got loads of developments coming, Virtual Protocol. And it is one of those coins that does strike me as something that's got a lot of fundamental value, a lot of utility behind it as well. So yeah, definitely a cool token to keep your eyes peeled on. But me, I can't do it, guys. If I see a coin 2x in a week, I am not one to FOMO in, right? But it's good to see the rest of the market slowly picking up in general. And I'm very happy about that indeed. I do think, of course, we do have a natural lump of resistance here around $1.80, just looking at the previous resistance from January 2025. So it might be a natural rejection point. And if we do see that rejection based on Fibonacci retracement, then, it's always possible that we could see this coin come back down to like $1.29, maybe a 30% micro correction here for this altcoin, and then we may get some more continuation to the upside. So I would be looking for a new layer of support, then hopefully a retest of $1.80, and then some confirmation of moving up, because I want to see it come back down. I want a more attractive level. I don't want to FOMO in, so therefore I must wait for an entry if I want to make a long position on this particular trade. So that's something for sure, which is interesting. Also, guys, just to show you this chart, right? If we bring up our trend wave indicator, we can see trend wave actually told us to open a short position at 0.45, which is effectively what this green little square is. And what happens is with trend wave, the indicator that we've made here in-house, we own this indicator and it's doing so well. Check it out down below, guys. You can also get it complimentary when you become a Crypto Legend patron for $110-ish per month. But what it does is it'll flag up or signal a long position with this green sort of square here. And when you then see the blue cross, that means, it's time to partially or fully take your profit. So we do have that as well. Brilliant to see this capitalized 117%. Yes, it did continue to go up, but it's still very risky to hold on once a coin's pumped that much, because you don't know if it will continue to the upside. But overall, very, very excited to see what's going to happen. And, hopefully we're going to get more bullish continuation for this particular token as well. What else is going on, guys? Wagyu Cash, if you're looking for that next big Solana meme coin gem, which could potentially go absolutely parabolic. I'm very excited. The community is very, very excited. We are talking about it in my Discord as well, the Wagyu Cash. So stay in the know. Get in my Discord if you want to talk about the next hot things that are coming out. Wagyu Cash is launching this month. I can't say when, but I will say within the next 7 to 14 days, you're going to see this coin go live, and it's going to be hopefully one of the biggest meme coins we ever see launch. So super excited. The Telegram link is down below. You'll see it there. Don't miss out on this one. Not financial advice, of course. Nothing is in this video, but I am very, very excited. That is absolutely true. What else we got, guys? Look, if you want to start winning more in this market, check out my Discord, Jacob's Crypto Clan. We are all fully real here. There's no fake members. There's no fake views on this channel. What you see is literally what you get. And that's something I really am proud of. I don't inflate anything. And these are some of the signals, some of the true wins that the traders in my personal Discord are making. So check it out down below. It's free to join the Discord. If you want to get in on the signals and all that juicy stuff, we have a bunch of different tiers here that you can enjoy, like the Crypto Legend, Crypto Champion here, Crypto Warrior. We also have the Crypto Waiver. If you only want the trading indicator, it will just cost a couple dollars, but $27.50 per month. But yeah, you can also join our lowest cost tier if you wish, Crypto DGen, for just $4 per month. And also the Crypto Hunter for just $11 per month. So all these different roles here will give you different benefits, early alphas, analysis, buy and sell signals, the whole thing, right? Long and short leverage trade signals. You're going to get absolutely everything. We're trying to make this the best single resource for traders out there and people that enjoy this sort of thing. So yeah, I guess overall, I'm really happy to see this market moving in the right direction. Ethereum is looking juicy today. A $3.03 trillion market. Again, we've had a good 30 days of slow but continuous natural progression in the market. And this is the sort of growth that we want. We don't want stuff to move up too quickly, because the quicker you go up, the quicker you come back down. So we do need to see slow, steady continuation in the market and avoid that greed and euphoric phase. We want to see proper growth. Anyways, guys, check out all the links down below. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Thank you guys for being real there, and comment down below the end if you made it to the end of this video. I don't even think 5 of you will comment it, because I honestly don't think 5 of you will waste 9 minutes of your lives here. But hey, see you soon. Bye.